Have you been saying to yourself, I want to start a fashion business, but I don't have money to start? I completely understand you because I was once in your shoes. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to start your fashion business from scratch with zero capital or with little capital, no matter where you are located. Nigeria, Ghana, UK, US, anywhere you are. These tips I'm going to be giving you in today's video is definitely going to work for you. So stick with me. Let's take a ride. Hello, I'm Amara, your fashion business coach from Perfect Fashion. In this type of videos, I try to teach you the business side of fashion to make sure that you turn your skill to profit. Now, the first thing you're going to do on your journey to starting your fashion business with little or no capital is to start from where you are, not where you wish you were. So many fashion designers make the mistake of waiting for bulk order or a fancy studio or a fancy sewing machine or any of all those things to start. But the truth is, you don't need a shop in Lekki or a shop in London or a shop in Preston to start. What you really need is a skill, a phone, your creativity, and your faith. That's all you need to start. So when I started, I used the leftover fabric from my aunt's dress. It was an Ankara fabric. I used it to make a peplum top that I styled on myself. Then I borrowed a friend's phone to snap the dress, snap myself on the dress, and I posted it on my WhatsApp. And guess what? That was how I landed my first paying customer. And from there, everything began to grow. So start small, start clean, but please start. Second thing you must do if you are starting your fashion business from scratch with no capital or little capital is to be excellent. Listen, excellence is non-negotiable. So whether you're sewing from a compound in Owerri or one bedroom flat in Birmingham, your finishing must be tight. Don't think that because I'm just starting, you can just sew anyhow. Listen, your excellence is your signature. Let your work speak quality from the beginning. Even if you are starting with low prices, make sure that anyone that pick up your pieces would be like, man, this is looking like one of the dresses from a top designer. Let it be that clean, because that's what really brings referrals. Whether you're in Lagos or in Los Angeles, that's what brings referrals to you. Network. Make sure that your finishing is tight and people have a good testimony of your work. Now, the third thing I'm going to be telling you on this journey to growing your fashion business from scratch or with little capital is to leverage social media to sell anywhere. Listen, in today's world, your phone is your storefront. Use Instagram to show us behind the scene contents. Use TikTok to TikTok trends to show us styling, the way you style your customers and all of that. Use your WhatsApp to communicate one-on-one with your customers. Use every social media platform available to share your progress in your local Facebook groups. Now, Facebook groups help you to connect with people in your environment. So whether you are in London or you are in Nigeria, look for Facebook groups that targets the people that you want to be working with. That's your target audience. Okay, people want to see what you're doing because the world buys what they see. So show up online, show up everywhere. Use your phone, use your iPhone, use your Android phone, use whatever you have, but make sure you show up. Now, my first advice to you if you want to grow your fashion business from zero with no capital is to start locally but think international. Let me give you a heads up. Your first customer is most likely going to be someone within your circle. Okay, it could be someone from your church, someone from your office, someone from your school, someone from your WhatsApp contacts. Okay, so it's going to be someone within your circle, right? So if that's the case, then what do? Begin to offer services. Begin to offer to make bridal wears for your friends that are doing bridal. Begin to offer discounted bulk order for your church choir, your church ushers. Begin to offer discounts to your friends that are coming around. Okay, this is what I do. I make clothes. You can make clothes from leftover fabrics. But in whatever you do, don't use black thread to make a pink dress. Okay. So make sure it's looking very prim and proper, and then you're going to deliver. And before you know it, words begin to spread, and before you know it, you start landing customers. So if you've been following so far, type "I am following" in the comment section. Let me know that we are communicating. Let me know that I'm reaching you. Okay. The fifth thing you're going to do if you want to start your fashion business with low capital or no money is to buy knowledge for equipment. Now listen, many fashion designers spend so much money on machines and other equipment, and they starve their minds. That's a big mistake. Listen, invest in little courses. There are cheap fashion courses out there. Buy them. Look for Facebook communities, YouTube videos, especially the ones that teach you the fashion side of fashion design, not just how to cut and sew. Okay, look for those videos, watch them. That's one of the reasons why you should make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. So if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the channel membership. When you join our membership, you have access to weekly business tips that will help you grow your fashion business. Learning how to sew is good, but to build a successful fashion business, there are certain skills that you must learn. So on these videos, feast on business growth videos, how to price, how to get your first customers, how to brand, how to price properly, how to convert your already existing customers to high paying customers, and how to attract actual high paying customers, how to post, the times to post, how to convert your social media views into actual paying customers, and lot of things. These things are actually online, and here on this channel we post videos like that. So feast on these videos and make sure you are on your A game when it comes to the business aspect of fashion. Okay, now the sixth thing I'm going to be saying to you, if you want to grow your business from scratch and you don't have money, is that mindset is everything. Let me speak to your spirit. Listen, do not neglect the days of your little beginning. You might be in your bedroom sewing with your child beside you, or you might be in a one-room apartment trying to make ends meet with your sewing business. I want to tell you that these are the days of your little beginning. You may not have a mannequin or a generator yet, but if you can stay focused, keep showing up online so excellently, and keep learning, definitely the clients will come one after the other until you can no longer count how many they are. You will grow from there. So don't ever let anything or anyone discourage you, because there are customers everywhere. There are people looking for what you're doing. So no matter where you are, no matter what you do, be consistent, show up for your business, build wisely, build consistently, and build boldly, because God is going to grant you help, and definitely you are going to grow from one level to another until you begin to hit your business goals. Before you know it, you become one of the greatest designers that have been talked about. Okay, so if this video helps you in any way, don't just watch and go ahead and like the video and share it with other fashion designers. And if you really know that you are going to start after now, comment "I'm starting now" in the comment section. I'm starting now. I'm starting right now. There is no stopping me. There is nothing holding me back. Let me see your positive confessions in the comment section, so that I will come and affirm with you that yes, you go girl, you go young man, you are starting now and nothing is ever going to stop you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get videos like this to help you grow your fashion business anywhere you are in the UK, in the US, in Africa and beyond. I am Amara, your fashion business coach. I'm here to help you grow no matter where you're starting from. See you in my next video. Bye.